People ask, why this workshop? And I think there are several answers. One, it's unique. Two, it's unique. And three, it's unique. And it's unique because of the content. It's unique because of the faculty. You'll never see this many people from the FDA in one place at the same time outside of our offices at the FDA. And you won't see the mix of both faculty and participants in other venues as you see here. Advocates, investigators, clinicians, industry, venture capitalists, scientists from multiple disciplines, from pharmacology, from toxicology, to basic chemists interested in designing new molecules. It's all here, and it's small. And the focus is on keeping it small and iterative and trying to make it as intimate and positive a learning experience as possible.